Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm introducing a practical course. Upgrade your skills with the Excel, from beginner to advanced course. With lifetime access to lessons, formulas, and practical examples, you can become an Excel expert. Don't miss this opportunity. Start today and shine in your career. This course has around 250,000 students and a rating of 4.4, making it a successful program. The current price is about €20, and by purchasing it, you'll have full access along with future updates. The course duration is 4.5 hours, and upon completion, you'll also receive a certificate. Here's what you'll learn in this course: master how to work with the most popular Microsoft Excel functions. Build basic Excel apps from scratch using various functions. Learn to work with different Excel function types such as date and time, financial, and many more. Get lifetime access to the course and support. And much more. Now, I'm offering this course to you for free and completely legally. And it only takes a few clicks. You'll have free access to the course and can even receive the certificate. Here's how it works. First, subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and search for discountedcourseninja.com on Google. From the results shown, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches discountedcourseninja.com, and you'll be directed to the homepage. On this site, you'll have access to various discount coupons for courses. You can use the search bar to find the course you're looking for or browse through different categories. Here, you'll find the course we're discussing. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click on the button labeled Get the Coupon. The course will now be available to you for free, and the discount coupon will automatically be applied. The coupon has a time limit. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Follow us for more daily discounts on courses.